Okay, here we are. Today's adventure, Three Lakes Wildlife Management Area, Prairie Lakes Unit. We're going to be going to Lake Jackson today. I don't know if we can get over. See if we can find Lake Marion and Lake Kissimmee. Don't forget to make your small donation of $3 per person for a reasonable fee. Today we're going to be going on the Africa Twin 2022 CRF 1100L DCT. Got the new tires, feeling good about them. I hope you come along. Okay, let's ride. Road conditions seem a little sandy on top. Not too bad so far. Well, let's change the map. Looks like we got a boat ramp here. Central Florida is pretty much all plains. If I'm correct, it's one of the largest plains east of the Mississippi. Okay, we're coming up to Lake Jackson. Let's check it out. Campsite number 2, campsite number 1. We'll check those out in a minute. They even have restrooms. Fishing at Lake Jackson. Bluegill, sunfish, crappie, largemouth bass, and of course catfish. And you do need a license to fish freshwater in Florida. The water looks extremely low today. Last time I was out here, the water was all the way up to here, where you see the sand up. Couple of airboaters out there way off in the distance. I know you can't see it on the GoPro. It looks like they're doing some work, probably cleaning up the canals. Let's check out those campsites, but before we do that, let's see what this is. Oh, campsite number 3. A nice little picnic table, little fire pit. That's a pretty spot. Alright, let's check out campsite number 1. Nice shaded area. A lot of leaves covering up the sand. Not covering up the roots though. check out spot number 2. Looks like I only see 3 spots here. Again, nice little area. Got a grill, fire pit, old table. Okay, let's go explore some more. Okay, that was my fault. You look at it, you will hit it. I looked at it. It was a big old rock. Now let's see where we are. And by the way, this is a little sandy. Super soft. Okay, road 16 and road 10. Not sure which one's which, but let's go to the left. Because you know what they say, when in doubt, always go right. Road 10 and Road 7. That one looks really sandy. The map doesn't even show where we're at. Well, let's avoid the sand for now. Already went through a pretty good stretch of sand. And some more. Well, let's try Road 8. I think we're just going to go right in the middle of nothing. You know how I am on these choices. I always seem to make the wrong choice. That one looks easier. This one looks harder. Choices, choices, choices. And I see no real end to this. Okay, saved you the embarrassing turnaround. But in the meantime, let's check these guys out. How pretty. Okay, let's continue. exactly the most common trail, I'm guessing, between these what would be mud holes and sand. It's pretty interesting. Another one of those choices we're not taking. Okay, for you Jeep drivers out there, this will be a really fun trail for you. A little bumpy. It's a nice thistle. Did you know you can eat thistle? We're not going to do it. Stay between the posts. Must be a swamp area. Big rock, a lot of them, a lot of big holes, sand back there, but we missed the mud. Africa Twin's doing good today, even through the sand, which everyone knows I hate. They say, stay positive. I am. I'm positive I'm gonna fall. Okay, let's see where this road's gonna take us. Well, lucky for us, the Africa Twin has about 9 inches of suspension travel, front and rear, and quite a large ground clearance. Okay, we had to take a little pause there. GoPro overheated. I know the feeling. I guess the GoPro doesn't know how I feel. Attention visitors, for the protection of the endangered Florida grasshopper sparrow, visitors are prohibited from entering the areas highlighted on the adjacent map. Road 10 is open for public use. Thanks for your cooperation. No highlighted map. That was big. Gotta be honest, I have no idea where I'm at right now. And that's been a workout. I'm sure the suspension on the Africa Twin is a little warm. The GoPro overheated. So let's continue on. been a while since we've seen shade. We're gonna take a pause. Okay, that was a long, involved process. Pretty much got lost there. For better or worse, we're on Road 5B now. Not sure what that is. So let's explore and find out together. Yay, we found a way out. Yay, we found the way out. For the lunch break, chicken tenders, plantains, and potato. And the bike gets a rest.